Welcome to the future of automotive technology. Today, we're diving into the realm of augmented reality dashboards, where innovation meets the open road. Imagine driving into a world where your car's dashboard isn't just a display of numbers and dials, but a window into a digital universe, enhancing your driving experience like never before. Augmented reality dashboards blend the virtual world with reality, overlaying vital information onto your windshield, seamlessly integrating navigation, speed, and safety alerts right into your field of view. Understanding augmented reality in cars. What is augmented reality? Augmented reality is a transformative technology that integrates digital information or virtual elements into the real-world environment, enriching the user's perception and interaction with their surroundings. In the automotive industry, augmented reality has emerged as a groundbreaking tool to enhance the driving experience by seamlessly overlaying pertinent data onto the driver's field of view. Unlike conventional dashboard displays, which typically provide information in a fixed location, augmented reality technology enables dynamic and contextually relevant data presentation directly within the driver's line of sight. At its core, AR relies on advanced computer vision, sensor fusion, and real-time data processing algorithms to accurately map and understand the physical environment. By leveraging cameras, sensors, and GPS technology, augmented reality systems can precisely identify objects, roads, and other relevant features in the driving environment. This contextual awareness forms the foundation for augmenting the real-world view with digital overlays, such as navigation cues, hazard warnings, and vehicle performance metrics. One of the key advantages of augmented reality in automotive applications is its ability to provide intuitive and non-intrusive access to information. Rather than forcing the driver to divert their attention away from the road to check instrument panels or navigation screens, augmented reality presents essential data directly within their line of sight. For example, turn-by-turn navigation instructions can be seamlessly integrated into the windshield, ensuring that drivers stay focused on the road ahead while receiving guidance. Augmented reality and automotive vision. In the dynamic landscape of automotive technology, augmented reality has emerged as a revolutionary tool, seamlessly blending the digital realm with the physical world to enhance the driving experience. At the forefront of this technological convergence are heads-up displays and smart windshields, which serve as conduits for projecting essential information directly onto the windshield, thereby revolutionizing how drivers perceive and interact with their environment. Heads-up displays have gained prominence as a key component of augmented reality technology in automobiles. These systems utilize advanced optics and projection techniques to superimpose critical data onto the driver's line of sight, typically on the windshield or a dedicated display panel within the driver's field of view. From navigation directions and vehicle speed to incoming calls and safety alerts, heads-up displays provide drivers with real-time information without requiring them to take their eyes off the road. Smart windshields represent another innovative application of augmented reality in automotive vision. By integrating transparent display technology directly into the windshield, these systems offer an immersive and intuitive interface for accessing essential information and enhancing situational awareness. Imagine driving down the road and seeing virtual arrows overlaid onto the windshield, guiding you to your destination, or receiving alerts about upcoming road hazards directly within your line of sight. Smart windshields not only improve safety by minimizing distractions, but also pave the way for cars to see and understand their environment more effectively. The role of augmented reality in improving vision. Enhancing driver awareness. Augmented reality contributes significantly to driver awareness. By superimposing relevant information directly onto the windshield, it eliminates the need for drivers to divert their attention to secondary screens. This not only enhances safety, but also ensures that drivers are better informed without compromising their focus on the road. Smart navigation and route guidance. Augmented reality. Drive-in navigation systems provide real-time, intuitive directions, making it easier for drivers to follow routes accurately. With turn-by-turn instructions seamlessly integrated into their line of sight, drivers can navigate complex road networks more confidently. This feature is particularly beneficial for reducing driver stress and preventing missed turns. Real-time traffic updates. Cars equipped with AR technology can receive real-time traffic updates and display alternative routes directly on the windshield. This dynamic information empowers drivers to make informed decisions, potentially avoiding congested areas and optimizing travel time. Augmented reality, therefore, plays a crucial role in enhancing the overall efficiency of transportation systems. Augmented reality and advanced driver assistance systems. Collision warning systems. AR is a key player in advanced driver assistance systems, particularly in collision warning systems. Through augmented reality, cars can see and analyze their surroundings, identifying potential collisions or obstacles. The system then alerts the driver in real time, providing valuable seconds to react and prevent accidents. Lane departure warnings. Augmented reality technology assists in preventing unintended lane departures by monitoring the vehicle's position on the road. If a car starts to drift out of its lane without the use of turn signals, the augmented reality system triggers visual and auditory alerts, guiding the driver back into the correct lane. Parking assistance. Parking, often a challenging task, becomes more manageable with augmented reality. Drive-in parking assistance. Cameras and sensors capture the car's surroundings, and augmented reality overlays virtual lines and graphics onto the live camera feed, guiding drivers to park accurately and avoid collisions. The future of augmented reality in cars. Autonomous driving and augmented reality. As we move towards the era of autonomous vehicles, augmented reality will play a pivotal role in enhancing the capabilities of self-driving cars. Augmented reality will enable these vehicles to see and interpret the environment, making split-second decisions based on real-time data. This integration is a crucial step towards achieving safer and more reliable autonomous transportation. Continued innovation. The synergy between augmented reality and automotive technology is an ever-evolving landscape. Continued innovation in augmented reality will likely bring forth even more advanced features, further improving the safety and convenience of driving. From enhanced gesture controls to predictive analytics, the future promises a more interconnected and intelligent driving experience. In conclusion, augmented reality is not just a buzzword in the automotive industry. It's a transformative force reshaping how cars perceive and interact with the world around them. The integration of augmented reality in heads-up displays, navigation systems, and advanced driver assistance systems is propelling the automotive sector into a new era of safety and efficiency. As we look ahead, the continued evolution of augmented reality promises to make driving not only more intelligent, but also more enjoyable for everyone on the road. So buckle up and get ready for a future where cars don't just drive. They see and understand the road like never before.